and the common man in several ways. The BJP parliamentary party compliments the government for its proactive response on day-to-day basis towards enabling the people overcome the inconvenience caused during the transition till full-scale remonetization is done. Over the last 70 years, common man has resigned to grudgingly accept the foul ways of those in power and choose to power to exploit the system and make it ill-gotten wealth. During the last 12 days, the poor and the common man of the country and honest people have made the most profound statement ever made in India's history in the recent times, that they don't mind putting up with the short-term inconvenience for larger good. They are queuing for better India. This is our view, the most profound statement to ever come from the people of our country. It is a well-known fact that our nation is made of honest people, and only some minority dishonest that are exploiting the system to the detriment of common man and the poor. Every major transformation initiative will result in some temporary inconveniences to start with. The initial pain leads to substantial gain. The BJP is grateful to the people of the country for their support to the government, well-meaning measures, and it also compliments the employees of the banks for the hard work they are doing in exchanging the people with regard to helping the people to exchange the notes. The BJP condemns the malicious efforts by some political parties who are desperate to provoke violence and chaos, having been rattled by the widespread support of the people to the government's initiative and bent upon disturbing the proceedings of the Parliament on one pretext or other. At this crucial juncture, political parties have to choose. At this critical juncture, the political parties have to choose whether they would stand by the government and the people of India or protect the interest of the black money hoarders. They have to choose whether they stand by the people of India, the government, or they will support the black money hoarders. That has to be decided by each and every political party in the country. And we hope that all political parties will deliberate measures to eliminate the scourge of black money. Then only the national interest will be served. The BJP parliamentary party congratulates the Prime Minister once again for his historic, daring, pro-poor decision in the interest of the nation, and calls upon for other measures to clean up the entire system. That's a resolution passed by the BJP parliamentary party, which is very significant that way.